Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we have something special in store for all you photography enthusiasts and vloggers out there.
The ATPLOES digital camera for photography. This compact yet powerful camera is making waves in the market with its impressive features.
Let's dive right in and explore what makes this camera a must-have for your photography and vlogging endeavors. First off, let's talk about resolution.
The ATPLOES camera boasts a stunning 48 megapixels image resolution and can shoot in glorious 4K video quality. Whether you're capturing stills or filming your next vlog, this camera ensures every detail is crystal clear. But that's not all. With a 16x digital zoom, you can get up close and personal with your subjects without compromising on image quality. Say goodbye to blurry long-distance shots.
Now, let's discuss versatility. This camera isn't just for capturing moments, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. Need a webcam for live streaming? Check.
Want to snap some selfies?
No problem. This camera can do it all. Plus, with its own fill light, you can ensure you always look your best, even in low light conditions. Perfect for those late-night vlogging sessions or impromptu photo shoots.
One of the standout features of this camera is its compact design. Small enough to fit in your pocket, yet packed with features that rival larger DSLRs.
And with 2 rechargeable batteries included, you can say goodbye to constantly worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're traveling the world or simply exploring your own backyard, this camera is the perfect companion for capturing every moment. In conclusion, the ATPLOES digital camera for photography is a game-changer in the world of compact cameras. With its impressive resolution, versatility, and portability, it's sure to elevate your photography and vlogging game to new heights. So, if you're in the market for a camera that delivers professional quality results without breaking the bank, look no further than the ATPLOES digital camera for photography. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy shooting.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Have a product you'd like us to review? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.